This program definitely is meant for working professionals, and without that, it wouldn't have been possible for me. Having the other cohorts also being working professionals, the professors really understood, and everything being online and in the evenings, that wouldn't have been possible with work and kids and everything else going on. What I've been learning has definitely helped me in my promotion recently. I went to a department that needed to be turned around, and we had just finished a course on organizational change that really helped that. During this program, the faculty were great, the professors were always accessible, the support group was always accessible and always ready to help us. I can attest to the rigor and excellence, having received my bachelor's degree from Georgia Tech and now going through this PMML program. It was just as hard, just as important and respected program as receiving a bachelor's from here. So I already had a green belt, so getting a black belt was on the radar, but getting it during this program was a nice surprise and a nice bonus to add to my qualifications that'll help me in my career. Yeah, having a small cohort that we went through all the classes and everything together was a benefit because we all brought our insights and we learned off of each other for 2 years, so it was a nice way of doing this program.